Most Chrome users have no idea that Google quietly added a built-in shortcut for Gemini inside the browser. That means you can actually launch Gemini without opening a new tab, searching on Google, or visiting the Gemini website manually. So first open your Google Chrome browser. So before anything else, this feature only appears on newer Chrome versions. So we need to confirm that your browser is updated. So click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner, then go down, go to help section, and in here you have four options. If you see about Google Chrome, just tap on that. Then Chrome will scan for updates here. If your browser is not updated, let it install the newest version and then hit relaunch. So without the latest update, Gemini shortcuts usually won't show up. Now here's where the hidden Gemini activation happens. Click the three dots again and open settings. From the left panel, choose search engine, then click on manage search engines and site search. So scroll until you reach the section for shortcuts. So Google has started adding special browser shortcuts here, and one of them is Gemini. So look for an entry called at Gemini or chat with Gemini. If it appears, that means Chrome already supports the feature on your account. So you don't really have to install anything extra, it's built into Chrome. Now let's test it. So go to the address bar, open a new tab, go to the address bar and type at symbol, just like that. So you'll now get a pop-up of browser shortcuts. So instead of regular search, you should see chat with Gemini listed here or ask Gemini. So click it once, and just like that, Chrome changes the address bar into a Gemini prompt box. Now type any question you want. So I'm gonna say answer homework. Then I'm gonna press enter, and Chrome will instantly open Google Gemini and send my request there automatically. Now, if you type at and Gemini does not show up, there are three common reasons. Number one, Chrome is not fully updated. Number two, your Google account is not synced. And number three, Google has not rolled out the shortcut to your region yet. And that's how you can enable Gemini in Chrome browser. Thank you for watching.